And more news coming in. Lalu has mocked the Congress batting for Mamata. Mamata should lead, says Lalu Yadav, not the Congress. Ignore Congress objection to Mamata. Now Lalu is backing Mamata over Congress as the India bloc chief. India bloc is split over leadership and this split is only widening right now.
कांग्रेस की वजह तानेस नहीं हो ममता को दो
तो ममता जी को जो दिया जाए
हाँ दे दे कांग्रेस की वजह तानेस नहीं हो ममता को दो
तो ममता जी को जो दिया जाए
हाँ दे दे कांग्रेस की वजह तानेस नहीं हो ममता को दो
तो ममता जी को जो दिया जाए
हाँ दे दे कांग्रेस की वजह तानेस नहीं हो ममता को दो
तो ममता जी को जो दिया जाए
हाँ दे दे.
Rahul Gautam is getting in more details on that story. Rahul, in fact, it's one political party after the other that's talking about the fact that this is the time for the Congress to stop acting bossy and make way for the others, because there are many other more leaders whose track record is better than yours for them to lead the India alliance, isn't it? That's what many parties are saying. Lalu no different here.
Because clearly, Sneha, it seems that alarm bells are ringing for Congress party, because one party after another, earlier it was TMC, then SP, then Sharad Pawar, and now Lalu Prasad Yadav, the very man who has always been a close aide of Nehru Gandhi family, and the relationship between Gandhis and Lalu Prasad Yadav goes back to decades. And now, in fact, he is also raising questions and saying that Mamata Banerjee should lead India bloc. Clearly, it's akin to a jolt as far as leadership status of Congress party is concerned in India bloc, and given the fact that this is going to put Congress party in a tight spot as to, and obviously they would have to explain to their alliance partners that whether they are actually, serious and how they're going to take things forward. And also remember, the very next year, 2025, they're going to be polls in Bihar. Now in Bihar, we all know that Congress is in alliance with RJD. So clearly all these things are going to affect the electoral equations on ground zero as well. And as far as Congress party is concerned, they have already rejected all these aspersions that are being casted on leadership status of Congress party. They are saying that this question, the very question of leadership, has already been decided by people when they made Congress party the single largest party as far as the opposition is concerned, and therefore, and in fact, Rahul Gandhi is the leader of opposition. But it seems that the alliance partners are just not comfortable with the present equation, and they would want. They are demanding that Mamata Banerjee, somebody who's more aggressive, more articulate, because the recent defeats in Maharashtra and Haryana, they have clearly put Congress party in a tight spot, and they would really have to take these alliance partners on board in confidence, because otherwise it seems that Congress might lose the status of being called a leader as far as India bloc is concerned, given the fact that more and more alliance partners are now questioning the leadership qualities of top brass of Congress party, given the recent defeats in Haryana and Maharashtra.
All right. Rahul, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. But before we go any further, listen in once again to what Lalu Yadav has had to say about Mamata Banerjee now intending to take over as the India bloc head. That's what the TMC has now been talking about. Listen in to what Lalu says.
कांग्रेस की वजह तानेस नहीं हो ममता को दो
तो ममता जी को जो दिया जाए
हाँ दे दे कांग्रेस की वजह तानेस नहीं हो ममता को दो
तो ममता जी को जो दिया जाए
हाँ दे दे